Over the past few years, I got the opportunity to travel to some of the most amazing places in the country, and I fell in love with travel. But the travel bug had bit me in a very young age when me and my parents used to travel to these beautiful places across the country on every holiday. We traveled to Jammu Kashmir, Kerala, Kolkata, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, to name a few. And those were some of the best memories that I had. Since then, I love to travel and explore new places, meet people, try the food, experience the culture. So, if I had to choose between partying in a club or going on a road trip, I would always choose road trip. Since I used to travel a lot and go on these little adventures, be it in my home state Maharashtra itself, I started my YouTube channel to document these and share new and unexplored places with the world.
But the views are very beautiful, like the background behind me is like so nice.
But then 2020 happened. Never knew the world would suddenly pause and all the countries would go into complete lockdown. Business everywhere was hit by a storm and traveling now has come to an halt. Instead of traveling, I am at home, cleaning, cooking, and sleeping almost throughout the day. And let me not forget YouTube. I'm working extra hard on my YouTube videos, posting them every Wednesday. So, since life is at a pause, it is a great time to reflect on those travel memories and the videos that were documented on this channel over the past 2 years. Hey guys, it's Grishma. Welcome to my channel. Buckle up your seatbelts as I take you on a virtual journey. Starting with one of the most beautiful places, mountains. They always fascinate me and I love visiting mountains.
So we stopped by this random location in the middle of nowhere, but the views from here are so amazing. Like, look at this, it's so photogenic.
The most beautiful mountain range never disappoints. Covered in lush greenery and surrounded by clouds, it's one of my favorite views to look at. Looking at those huge mountains makes us realize how tiny we are and our problems. Nature is truly very beautiful. Being on the top and having a hot chai or eating bhutta, which is corn, is priceless.
In this weather, it's amazing to have it over here.
I just cannot pick a better view. Be it the mountain ranges of Jawar, Igatpuri, lush mountains of Lonavala or Raigad, or the Sahyadris, all of them possess utmost beauty and grandeur. Imagine waking up to the view of these beautiful mountains and admiring them would be such good mornings.
And this is the view.
One more element that makes mountains even more beautiful is water. Monsoon is a season where we get to experience waterfalls.
So this behind me is the Dabosa waterfall.
Flowing from the top of the mountains to the land, which is truly magical. Just listening to the sound of the water hitting the ground is very peaceful. I could just spend hours admiring nature and its beauty. One of the most beautiful waterfalls that I've ever seen has to be Vihiga waterfall in Igatpuri. It was my first time seeing and experiencing this large waterfall from such close, and I had no words to describe that feeling.
It's such a massive waterfall. I've never seen such a big waterfall. In my entire life, I've seen only in photos, and experiencing it in the real life is such an amazing experience. I have just no words about how beautiful nature is.
That is what I love about traveling. You can't experience these things if you don't step outside and explore. There's so many unknown places yet to be discovered, and discovering them by yourself is an amazing feeling. Also in the monsoon, one more thing to see other than the greenery everywhere are lakes, rivers and water bodies, which are filled with water, and the reflection of the clean water is a magnificent view.
We made it to the lake after trekking a very long way, and this is the Mulshi lake. As you can see, it's very pretty.
Traveling to a place comes with one more advantage, the accommodation.
Welcome to our villa, come on in.
Staying at a new place, be it surrounded by nature or mountains with no network, is an experience you should try in life. One of my favorite stays in the past 2 years has been Jadavgarh in Pune. It is Maharashtra's only heritage resort. It's a palace that is now converted into a resort. This video is a very special video of mine as it is my first YouTube video. It's a short travel video, but I'm really proud of this video and there's so many memories attached to this video. Another favorite has to be Forest Hills, located literally on its own standalone hill. where we stayed in a villa which was huge.
The resort is spread on different levels on the mountain, that is different places in the mountain which they call levels.
I was so happy looking at our stay and made sure that we made the most out of it.
I bought a dog inside.
And I can't forget my first vacation with my cat Chubby. We went to Igatpuri and stayed at Manas Resort, which is a pet-friendly resort, and it was a very different experience staying at a resort with my pet. We even had our separate rooms which me and Chubby shared. This is my room and yours, so it's our room. And Chubby also got to meet so many house birds at the place. Remembering those memories is making me want to go and travel again.
Let's not forget food. Every place has its own speciality and authentic food to offer.
Trying authentic food everywhere is an experience you should never miss.
The food arrived. So this is the chicken thali and this is the mutton one. This is the soul curry.
It lets us know more about the place and the culture, the people. And believe me, food taste changes within kilometers in every state of India. And it's great to know, which means more variety of food. Who can say no to that? We explored Mumbai too.
I was born in proper Bombay, that is Mumbai, and experiencing the place as a tourist was a completely new experience.
We visited some of the old places and visited some new places as well. Did you know the world's largest outdoor laundry mart is in Mumbai? It is not what I am saying, it's what the internet says. I've always seen Dhobi Garden photos, videos and movies, but never been there. One day we explored it and I was mind blown by the place. How they manage so many clothes all together. We never know that there's so many unexplored places, even in our hometown, that is worth experiencing and getting to know. Traveling is not only about traveling to different countries, dining at fancy places. We can start it from our roots and then start building it up. At least that is what I believe in.
My last trip before the pandemic was my first ever girls' trip.
Me and my two best friends traveled by ourselves to Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
The entry for Kakaria. Hi.
We explored and saw some of the most fantastic places which I have only seen in pictures. Learned so much about it and ate some yummy food.
That behind me is the white tiger. It's just so beautiful.
I love Indian history and I'm very fascinated by it. We visited Adalajni Wow, which is a stepwell built hundreds of years ago. I was astonished looking at those intricate carvings and designs on the wall and made me wonder how people used to do this.
This place is hundreds and hundreds of years old, and you can see that every pillar has a beautiful carving on it. This trip will always be a special one. We had lots of fun on this trip.
Travel made our bond even stronger and we got to know about each other even more. The best trip with my girls. We made so many great memories and can't wait to travel again.
Looking back at those memories makes me want to travel even more.
I want to visit places, explore them.
Apparently, this is the situation.
And of course document everything.
We're in Myanmar Gate right now and we are told to visit the Visitors Hall, which is right over there.
Let us hope and pray that our life comes back to normal and everyone is safe.
This time has made me realize not to take anything for granted, be appreciative and grateful for everything that we have.
Nature is divine beauty. It has so much to offer to us. Let us all keep our world happy and safe. Let us all keep our surrounding clean and avoid polluting it. Travel brings us closer to nature, closer to our roots, makes us experience new things in life and gives back so many memories to cherish forever.
I hope this video inspires you to travel and live your life to the fullest. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Let us all hope and pray that we travel very soon. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.